Hello. So today's read is very, interesting. You know, it's very interesting. So let's see what and which people are stalking you and why they are stalking you. What is their motive behind stalking you, right? So this read is going to be very interesting. Let's expose them together. So there are two decks right now I have chosen, rose deck and sunflower deck. Sunflower deck is, I know it's a huge deck. So there are two decks, rose deck and sunflower deck. So just pick one which whichsoever color applies you the most, right? And I'm very sorry for my bad throat. It's not recovering as yet because I talk a lot. I whole day I'm in the meetings, and in the evenings I have to record the readings and I have to post it up. So lot of talking, so my throat is not getting healed. So let's start with the rose deck and let's see who is stalking you and why they are stalking you. Interesting. So I've removed that sunflower deck right now, as we are going to do the the rose one. Okay, so let's start. Who are stalking you right now? Then we'll see why they are stalking you. Are they dangerous for you? Then we are going to check what are the sun signs of those people. Then we are also going to check the letters which comes in their names as like very prevailed letters in the name. So Ahan, suppose, so many A's are in this name. So something very very picky letters we are going to pick from the alphabet chips which comes in their names. So, and some few charms, some characteristics also. So let's start with the things. The cards are jumping by itself, so it means you must be having some strong fan following, plus or minus. Plus or minus means those can be negative also, those can be positive also. So let's see which people are stalking you. Let's pick up do the card things now. That is the Empress. Oh, you are beautiful. You are if my viewer is a male, then you are very handsome. You must be quite feminine type person if you are a male, because your personality is really amazing. This is your personality. Interesting. Wish to see you. All I can say that, because the Empress is really beautiful. So if you're a woman, got excellent personality, excellent choice of taste, excellent things in everything. You are the perfectionist. So let me keep this energy here, right? Let's see which people are stalking you. Four of Pentacles. You must be rich, or you must be earning very nice, right? Page of Wands and Four of Wands. You are quite famous at your workplace. You're quite famous at some, if you're not working, if you're just like doing nothing, then you're quite famous. If you're a student, then you're quite famous at your college or school or something like that. Or if you're doing just not, if you're passed out and doing nothing, just sitting idle or doing something from your home, you don't have any sort of office or something, then if you have a DP in your profile thing, then you got many fan following. And if you are not working or something like that, then I would say the shop or a showroom or a mall which you mostly go and visit for the shopping, there the people who are workers or something, they are the employees, they are very much fan following of yours. Okay, you spend a lot on yourself, so some people are envious about it. You spend a lot, so they are gossiping and talking that you have plenty of money. I suppose you do a lot of manipulating in money terms, so that's why you have quite a sense of bargaining, right? You have got quite a taste. You are something like a branded thing, right? So many people talk behind you, my dear one. The beautiful charm. Let's see more cards. Five of Cups, the Judgment, and the Sun. So here I can see that holy place you visit the most, right? There also you meet many people, or many people like who really wish to know you more, whom you don't know. They really wish to know you more. I suppose the people from the holy place also, maybe the priest also, they really wish to know you more. So you got an amazing fan following. You got amazing big list of fans. Some people are really envious that you are quite a branded person. You quite spend a lot. Whatever, if you pick up a material from a roadside vendor also, then also it becomes a brand that you're picking up a brand. And some people thinks that you have dished many people to reach to this position. You have dumped many people to reach to this position, and when they talk that you have fallen for. You cheat people basically in the terms of love. So many people think about something like that. Okay, so this is the main gossip. And you are quite a decorator, right? The place you live in, the neighbors also, they mostly like to stalk you because you are quite a decorator. You must have kept some kind of a showpiece or a kind of a bell at the outside your home at the entrance or something. They like to see something, so they talk a lot about you. Here many people knows you, right? In this read I can see the people knows you directly or somewhere, like indirect people. I can say what should I say? No, there I can't see any kind of indirect things in this read. So many people like you, and you know them directly. Like if you go to a shop, the employees whom you have not talked to, who does not attend you, the other attendees, they know attend you. They also talk about you. The people who have not attended you. So in that way, I can say there's something like indirect way of stalking you, right? Let's see more. The Magician, Page of Pentacles, and the Strength. Your smile is quite charming, right? You must be having something like good long hair, or hair of very good quality. Your hair shines, right? So they talk about your personality. They talk about your personality, the way you carry yourself, the way you manage the things, the way you pick up the shopping bags, the everything. They are very fond of this thing. So in that fondness, they bitch about you. Sorry to use that word. They talk about you, right? So let's see if they are dangerous to you in any kind of a sense. So right now, till now, sorry, I couldn't sense any kind of a danger, but let's see what tarot suggests. You should be afraid of such fan following. Let's see what tarot suggests. I'm just shuffling the card to get the proper cards. Let's see. Tarot, just give me a few cards for my viewers who have picked the rose pile. Are there stalkers are dangerous for my viewer? Are they dangerous for my viewer? Yes, so your money thing can be affected, no? Yeah, your money thing can be affected with this. So I can say an evil eye on money, right? Some people might try to ditch you, some people regarding money. Some people might try to come close to you for their greediness. Some people might try to make you fool for money, right? The Hierophant. So here I can see, just be aware with from the people who comes to you for the help regarding money, or try to be very careful related to the money issues, because I can sense there's some evil eyes on your money thing, on your finances, right? So try to consult some kind of a healer who can give you some kind of protection in the form of thread, or in the form of stalls, or in the form of scarves which you can carry along, which can protect you, or in the form of bands, wristbands, right? Try to consult some kind of a healer, and try to be very careful while accepting any kind of sweet gestures or sweet things from the very unknown people, right? Yes, you should not trust anyone related to money. For anyone, right? You should not trust as far as the money concerned, because cards are saying that it's your hard earned money, or you are a good saver, or you know how to manipulate money, or you cards are saying that you're quite good with the money things, right? But people are thinking that you are making money out with some nasty sources or something like that. You are making money out of love relations or stupid relations, all the stupid things they are talking about you. So you are having quite a hefty money in your pocket, just not earned by you. So they are having bad eye on them, on that saving of yours. So do not trust in anyone, especially the people who are bit older to your age, or almost like of your age, right? So energies which I am picking up is fire signs and the earth signs in this thing. Though there is some kind of water sign is also there, but not as much as the fire and earth sign is there. Which is this sign? Yeah, fire sign. I can sense some kind of, yes, fire and earth signs. Be careful with the fire and earth signs, right, my dear guys? So let's see 1 2 3 more cards. So here I can see that you have a physique of you have a wonderful physique. Your body thing, your smile, your eyes, your hair, everything is amazing. So try to be very cautious, because your health might get affected with the evil eye. Some people are keeping very evil eye, or trying to be, that evil eye can affect your health, right? If you're not fallen sick till now, you might fall sick in coming days. So before that, try to consult some kind of a healer and get a security type band in your wrist all the time. Some people you have met on the movement also, like you might have gone for a vacation or a work related thing. So on the trip you might have met some people, they are stalking you to know you more, right? Someone is coming, one of your fan is coming very close to you, right? Trying to have a relationship with you, right? Some love offer is on its way. Right? So earth signs, earth people I can sense more. I suppose this is a earth season, like earth people are quite passionate these days, earth and air. Because in almost every read, before this read I did the Hindi read also, Indian Hindi read, and in that also earth signs were quite prevalent, earth and air sign, earth and fire signs. They are quite right now, I suppose they are having some kind of a thing in this season, right? So water sign I can see, but at a very less quantity, but I will be doing the signs later on also. So this was your read. I suppose I had enough, and now let's go to the alphabets thing, right? Let's see what kind of alphabets comes in their names, so that you, whenever they approach you, you should be knowing that I have already told you. Okay, see, I can see, I told you some love offer is coming. This charm came along with the chip. So let me have 2 more. Okay, so let's see the alphabets. That is C, E, V, A, F, N. I can see, there's a long list of fan. Here it is. Fan. I can also I'm picking up energy from the Venezuela. Venice, A, Argon, AEO. These letters are very common in their name. AEO, right? L. Here I can see. Here I can see the love offer is coming again. Here there's a fan who is coming with the love offer. L-O, V and E. Love. So this is a thing. Who wears cap, or from the Cape Town? Cape. So I can see some kind of a priest or something like this, or someone with a cape thing who wears a cape, something like that. Someone from that kind of a position of working, like some kind of a judge. UXHO. So I can see that someone with the cap or cape, and I can see that hope is there, right? These letters do come in their name. One number is there in their date of birth. 4 is there in their date of birth. Oh my God, they're very clear signs. So many people falling in love with you, my dear one. Whosoever my viewer is, right now I can bet on this that you must be very amazingly beautiful, very amazing, good figure. Everything must be very charming of yours. That is why you got a very long list of fans who are in love with you, especially with the people who wear caps, or you must be wearing caps, and someone with the cape thing, someone with the someone who wears the capes, right? Double O comes somewhere in their letters. A and E also comes in their letter. I'm picking out V also. V is also there in their letter, right? So let's see the charms also. Bit of charms. Let me see the bit of charms. Someone who carries the briefcase. Someone from the abroad, that's what I said, from Venezuela or something. Someone from the abroad who really likes to be with you. Someone with having a figurine of Lord Buddha at their place or their home. Someone who is very fond of cats also, though this is an owl, but I am getting energy of cat. Someone who is very fond of cats also must be having a pet as a cat. Someone must be having an aquarium at their place with a turtle in that aquarium, right? Someone is very fond of maintaining their home or something like this, having a backyard or having a garden at their place. Someone is very God-fearing person. Yes, see, someone is very God-fearing person. Someone who carries the briefcase or suit, something like that. Someone is approaching to you from abroad or somewhere with the briefcase. Okay, and a lot of coins I can see in this, as well as an umbrella. This person is might be from the Paris. I don't know why I'm picking up the energy of Paris with this leaf. This person is going to approach you soon because this person is fan and fallen in love, who wears caps. Could be an American also. So this was your read, my dear loved ones. I hope if you liked it, then do hit like, share and subscribe, because this channel is not a regular tarot reader channel, right? Love you all. Thank you for your time. So now we have picked up another deck, which is Sunflower deck. So let's start with the read now. The reading is like about who are stalking you and why are they stalking you. So let's see your energies, their energies. Who are those mysterious people who are really stalking you? What is in their mind for you? Why they are stalking you? Are they dangerous for you? We'll all be having in this read. Cool. So let's start with your energy also. The Hermit. The Hermit. Okay. Hermit. Okay. 9 of Wands. The Magician. The Empress. So what are the energy which I am picking up is that you are quite, about you I'm telling you that you are in a position where you have reached to this level of yours till now of your age that you have struggled a lot, and now when you are at like this position that many people reach to you for your help or something. You might be at that position, you could be an astrologer or something like that, you might be a psychic reader, you might be a tarot card reader or something where many people reach to you for your help or for your assistance, for your guidance, right? This is the energy which I am picking up from you, and you have reached to this level after a lot of hard work, lot of you know yeah, a lot of hard work I am picking up, which hardly people do, hardly. So this energy I am picking for you. So you have reached to this level. Now many people reach to you for your guidance, for your advices, so that they can work on it. Now let's see who are stalking you and why they are stalking you. The Tower, King of Cups, Four of Pentacles, Three of Wands, the Emperor, and Ace of Wands. So here what I can see, many people are like, stalking you related to their business, related to their work, related to their organization. So many people are stalking you just to gain your guidance, just to gain your help, related to work. I can sense in this, I can pick from this energy right now. It is all related to work. Many people who are not able to achieve anything in this world right now in their life, so those people are also approaching you how to proceed. So I am very much picking up the energy of being that you must be very intuitive, you must have been a very hard worker, and they are seeking your advice. You have reached to this level after a lot of hard work, lot of studies, lot of many other sacrifices you have done. So now you are helping people, or many people, you are at that level of your work that you are helping people or you're guiding people. You must be a counselor, you must be somewhere, something like customer care or something like that. You are helping people to achieve their goals. So I can see that many people are stalking you because you must be running some kind of a organization which help people in their studies, in their work, or something related to things like that, or settling abroad. Yes, this thing I am picking up. So your list of stalkers is mostly of males, and there are few stalkers who are quite, some of Aries sign. I am picking up Aries, I am picking up Libra, I am picking up fire sign. Nine of Wands is there, right? So this I am getting. So let's see more cards. Four of Wands. So you must be something. People must be, you must be at something like arranging up marriages, or you must be a judge or something. Or helping people to settle down. You must be a property dealer. You could be a property dealer also, helping people with the properties, right? So housing thing. Or a lawyer, yes, attorney. People generally approach to you for their issues related to their work. The work could be related to properties, work related to could be their house, something like that, leasing thing. So your fan following is really related to your work. Yes, related to your work. People are admiring you, people are consulting you, people do follow your advices. So they are stalking you. So I can't sense any kind of a gossip behind your back. You have a very clear picture in the people's head. And the Page of Wands. I suppose you help the younger generation also for settling down. Many people, you are an inspiration for the younger ones. So you are an inspiration for the younger ones who wish to settle in their work, right? So I can sense that. lot of fire energy, so lot of uh, you know, I don't want to mention that word, but I have no other word other than this. So you are helping settling people related to work abroad or other states or other countries, manpower, settling for the manpower thing, blue collared people, right? You could be a union leader also of some people, you know. So these are your stalkers. How boring it is that, all my other days I found that the stalkers are like, for the charm and for the beauty, for the love, for the physical thing. But here in your read it is very different. Here I mean picking up energy of related to work. Oh my god, it's so very different energy. I'm sorry to use the word bore, but it is something like, you are you must be a healer, I suppose, a doctor, but you are helping many people related to housing thing or work thing. So I'm picking up more of the energy of the lawyer thing, a property dealer thing, something related to that thing, right? You ask people to, like, put their burdens on your head, and then you ask them to settle down, you ask them to have patience and then you work for them, right? You are quite a hard worker and you work for them and you get their matters sorted. Amazing job profile. That is impressive, very impressive. So this is energy I'm picking up. So now let's see the alphabets. In the last read I didn't pick that signs. So let's see the alphabets. Okay, the people who are stalking you, because in this read it's very unfair to pick up the word chips, because the people who are stalking you are related to work. So people related to work could be unknown also, but still if you wish, so I'm just doing it. Those people can approach you if haven't. OT F T W X N A and again W. I suppose you are giving some kind of a lectures. You could be a lecturer also, that people take the notes of you, or you make the people to take notes of that, the things required to get their work done. You make the notes. You ask them to take the notes of those things that they have to do it before getting their work started, right? Or you can be working at a notary also, to get their documents notified. But out of the way, I can sense that you help people a lot. So I feel that many people approaches you on everyday basis. I feel that you are though you are quite a hard worker or something, but I can sense some kind of a boredom in your work that you are facing. I'm not telling for myself that your work is bored. No, I'm not saying that, but I can sense that you are feeling some kind of a boredom, and you are looking for some kind of a fun in your life. Yes. But this is a fun job. This is a very amazing job, I can sense, because variety of people approaches you, variety of things approaches you, and how can one person be bored? All right, so let's see. Now I don't want to get into the charms, because this is something related to your work thing. So I will not get into the charms, I will not get into the sun signs or something, because here I can see a lot of related to work people are approaching you. Still, if you want to get into the signs, then I would be suggesting some lot of fire signs, right? Still I'm picking up for you. Just a second, let me pick up the signs. See, so many signs have fallen by itself, although I just pick up 3 to 4 and now it's been 6, right? Here I'm picking up, yeah, Scorpio. Here I'm picking up Aquarius. Okay, here I'm picking up Taurus. Here I'm picking up this Aries, Sagittarius, and here it is Capricorn. Earth signs and earth sign and fire signs are prevalent in this read. So that's what I said, something related to properties that you do the most. That's why these people, the more of the earth signs, because a person gets a property in their life when their earth signs get prevalent in their birth charts, right? So, and fire signs, so fire signs do reach to you for the property disputes or something like that, right? So these are the signs which are prevalent in your in the people who stalk you, right? So this was your read, my dear ones, and if you liked it, then do hit like, share and subscribe, and do recommend to those who really need to listen to my read. Alright, so this was a very short read, I suppose, because the Hindi read I completed in more than 20 minutes now. This read just finished in 13 minutes. So all the best and take care, guys.